Say less, bestie, I got you. It's my first hair tutorial. I'm a little excited. Brush through the hair and put some heat protectant. We put the heat all the way up in this house, okay? My hair's a little thick, so I prefer to split it in half, and I use this 3-barrel waver from Revlon. You guys know where to find it on my Amazon, and I use it upside down. You guys see? Ooh, go Bad Bunny. I'm using it upside down, and I'm kind of pulsating. I'm squeezing it really tight as I'm going down, okay? Do it all the way around your head. When you get to the top, I always say that the top layer, split it the way I did there and take the time to crimp the top. It makes a difference. Then don't go through the hair, just kind of like fluff it on the top. Start separating your sections, okay? The best thing about using a waver and crimping your hair is it doesn't have to be perfect. If you are somebody that wants to take the time to use like a fine pick comb and actually make straight lines the way I did here, go for it. But the messier, the better. They're messy space buns, remember this. Here I am just kind of separating the back so that way it doesn't get in the way. And then we're going to pull out our little flequito and start making the buns, okay? This Moroccan hairspray is the best. But watch what I do here. I really want you guys to pay attention. Now, we're going to use these little black ligas. You can use clear, you can use whatever you want. Here. Don't go all the way through. Boom. Stop there, flip it, and come around. That's how I always do my messy buns, okay? We're going to get the colita and wrap it all the way around and just finesse the bun, guys. Mine broke here. Authenticity, I grabbed another one. You can grab as many as you need. Just kind of mess with it, play with it. And remember, we're going to add our safety pins like I'm doing here. They are going to act as bobby pins, so use them to your advantage. They're not just decoration. Pin the hair down the way you want, just the way I did here. Boom. We did a little X. You can add more. You can add charms to the actual safety pins, whatever you'd like. Let's move to the other side. Same thing, the Moroccan hairspray. I comb it through, make it as slick as you want. I had a little bit too much bang out. Here we go. Boom. Stop right there. Flip it. There you go. Wrap the colita. And then we're going to go ahead and finesse the bun. This one kind of gave me some trouble. I'm not going to lie. Use as many ligas as you want, okay? Again, use your safety pins as bobby pins. They're there to help. They're not just decoration. There you go. It's so easy, guys. I promise you, it's just a matter of fluffing, finessing. Here I'm celebrating. I was on live, so I showed them that, hey, we did it. And now you can go ahead and run your fingers through and work. Yes, girl.